Hey everybody, this is Leslie with Elle Models. I'm here behind the scenes at the Indiana Black Expo Fashion Show. This year's theme is the elements of fashion. Be what he wants to, he wants to, yeah. This year's show is presented by Indiana Black Expo and Elle Models. We have well over 50 models in this show, so it's a huge show. A lot of production help, a lot of makeup artists, a lot of stylists. The models you see today are represented by Elle Models, Starstruck Model Management, and our very own Indiana Models. We have local designers, we have great corporate sponsors such as Walmart and Academic. Black Expo Weekend, the elements of fashion.